Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is February 15th, 2017. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. Today we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading lower by 3.5 points right now to 23.33.5 per contract. Futures had a big day yesterday. Markets finished up very, very strong. But today we are pulling back ever so slightly ahead of the opening bell. We'll see how today's market plays out. We've got a very, very complacent tape out here. But nonetheless, markets seem to rise every single day on lighter and lighter volume. And again, no real danger signs yet in place. All right, let's take a look at stocks in the news because that's where we're going to make some money today. First stock I want to look at is going to be AIG. And what you're going to see here is the company reported earnings. Stock is getting hit pretty sharply. Company closed yesterday. The stock closed at $66.89. It is now trading at $63.40. So this is a pretty good little haircut for AIG. I will be working on levels for this one to have for you once the opening bell rings. I'll have them posted up in the intraday stock chat room right around 9 o'clock. Right now I am looking at a level here of some support around this general area, 63.40. But if we fall lower, I will have levels posted up in the intraday stock chat room. So again, AIG is going to be on our radar today, and you got a pretty good little drop ahead of the opening bell at the moment. Let's take a look at Pepsi Corp, PEP. Pepsi is falling a little bit here. Stock closed at 106.92. It's trading at 105.79. I believe they reported earnings. The only level that really interests me for Pepsi today is around 102.25. We get this stock down there, I think there's going to be a play. So there's still more to go, potentially. But again, we get this down around 102.25. I think you can get long Pepsi for a scalp trade. Let's take a look at FOSL. FOSL is getting hit pretty sharply after the closing bell yesterday. The company reported earnings. Stock is trading at $22.87 as of the close. Right now it's trading at $18.45. So this is really taking it on the chin today. The only thing that I'm seeing here that looks even decent for FOSL is much lower. So again, be very, very, very careful with this name. There probably will be some support around $14. That's still another 4.5 points lower from where we are right now. So be very careful with FOSL. I don't even see any support till 14. Next up, we're going to take a look at ADI, which is Analog Devices. And what you're going to see here is the stock is trading at $80.75. Closed at $77.84. This is a great little pop, but the stock is overbought in a severe manner. So you want to be a little bit careful here and just looking at the stock. If you own it, trail the stop loss. If you don't own it, I would not participate in the name at this point in time. Let's take a look at Express Scripts, ESRX. I'm not 100% sure of the news here. I did see the stock moving around. It closed at $69.63. It's now trading at $68.75. So it's down ticking a little bit. Not much we're going to do with it. There's still a lot of support for this stock around $65. So keep that on the radar today. Sodastream. This is a little bit on the lighter volume side, but nonetheless, they reported earnings. Stock is having a good reaction. You'll see the stock trading up around $51 right now. It closed at $47.35 yesterday. So this is a pretty good move for Sodastream. When I look at this name, though, I have to think that around $52, maybe $52.25, you're going to hit a pretty good wall of resistance. So again, if anybody is trading this stock, trail the stop loss now. When you get to around that 52, I'm going to say 52.25, 52.50 area, there's a wall of resistance there. Possibly there could be a play there, but this is a light volume name. A lot of times this stock can overshoot. What I mean by light volume is it rarely trades 1 million shares a day. Generally trades about 200,000. So these things can overshoot a little bit when they have such light volume. BP is trading down today. So energy stocks have been really mixed as of late. But BP trading lower. Stock right now is trading at $33.77. It closed at $34.58. I don't see any support here till $32.90. Keep it on the radar today. Next up, we're going to take a look at Royal Dutch Shell. We'll look at the B shares. And this is also trading sharply lower. Stock closed at $57.96. It is now trading at $56.58. So this is a good little sell-off. I am seeing some support around 55.75 if it does trade lower, and I think it can. So be on the alert there. Let's take a look at MRK this morning. MRK is the ticker symbol. Drug maker, I believe, had a drug that did not meet its endpoint, and they are scrapping it. You could read all about the news. I can't remember what they said. Either way, stock right now is trading at 64.80, closed at 65.66. So you're down ticking a little bit from yesterday's close. Again, it'll be on my radar today. I am seeing support for MRK around $62.75 today. So if the stock gets down there, there will be some short-term support right around that area. Keep it on the radar. Airline stocks are all getting a bid today. It looks like Warren Buffett took a stake in the airline stocks, Southwest Airlines in particular. All of these stocks are getting a bid on this news. In my opinion, most of the airline stocks are overbought, so I would be careful up here. I would not get involved in the airline stocks at these levels. But nonetheless, they are all catching a bit higher on the news that Warren Buffett took a stake in the airlines. All right, let's jump over to the gold market. Gold futures today trading down about $6. Every day, gold is a little bit on the weaker side, then it comes back. So gold's been somewhat resilient as of late. We'll see what it does today. Right now, it is trading down around $6 on spot to $1,219 an ounce. If you look at crude oil today, crude oil is trading down 24 cents to $52.96 a barrel. So again, we're going to leave it there, short and sweet. We'll be watching gold and oil once the opening bell rings today. Again, if you want to trade alongside of us, come on over, take a 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. You'll see everything that we are doing in there. And again, take that 7-day free trial. You can trade right alongside of us. With that being said, everybody have a great trading session, and we will see you on the charts.